Today, you're going to learn how you can make an extra $10,000 a month on autopilot using Canva.com. And one of the websites that we're going to be seeing today is Etsy.com. And people are making thousands of dollars selling digital templates on Etsy that can be created on Canva.com. Here you can see that the digital planner bundle has 496 reviews. The wedding painting digital product has 8,931 reviews. And this is an Etsy seller success guide that has 2,345 reviews, and so on. And each of these bundles sells more than is reviewed. These are simply reviewing, not overall sales. People are earning anywhere between $10 to $30 just by selling digital templates on Etsy, which you can make once and sell forever. If you look at this individual right here, he has 15,375 reviews for this bundle, which costs $3.79. Let's see what is in the bundle. This is a small business plan template, which you might also call a business plan proposal template, and was sold for $3.79. However, it is 40% off the price. Its real price is $6.32. They also mention that it is a Canva template that is editable. And you can also create this type of template using Canva. The total sales of this bundle are $172,302. If I figure out how much money this seller makes, $172,302 multiplied by, let's take the price $4 as this is not its actual price, you can see that they make around $689,000. Since it is a digital product, the vast majority of revenue is completely profit. But today we are not selling this template. We are selling another template that is far easier to make using Canva and also a popular product bundle on Etsy. And you can do this using a free Canva account. So, if you're excited to know about the product bundle and how to make money using this method, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because on this channel you will discover different methods of making money online that I uploaded almost every day. So, to perform this method, first and foremost we need to select an easy printable picture product to sell. Now, on Etsy, there are two different types of products that you can sell. The first is physical products that you physically hold, like a mug or a t-shirt or something else. The second type of product is digital products, which anyone can download from Etsy while completing the purchase. Printable Kids Routine is that type of digital product. And yes, we are going to sell this product bundle using Etsy, because this is not a highly competitive product right now, but it has a good amount of demand on the market. The total sales of this product bundle are $112,429. That is insane. This is all about the kids' daily responsibilities chart. If I calculate how much money this bundle made through its lifetime, you can see the vendor makes around $500,000 till now, and it's a purely passive income. Basically, parents print these types of products, and then they use them to help kids better visualize what they have to do each day. We know that the human brain understands pictures better than words. That's why this type of product is really helpful. And it is very easy to make using Canva.com. And I am going to show you how you can make exactly the same product using free Canva.com in the next step. Just see the reviews here. Each and every parent who purchases this product bundle leaves very good reviews as well as great feedback. See the feedback, exactly like this photo. My kids love these graphics and we use them every day. More than 179 pages of feedback are here. By watching this feedback, you will easily understand how good the product is to sell in the Etsy shop. They also add some pictures over here of how they and their kids use this product. Basically, it's a series of pages that have different charts, and these little pictures with squares on them with different images in them that represent the different activities that kids need to do for the day. And then parents will print these pages out and then cut out the little cards so that kids can then put them onto the empty charts and create and visualize their day. In other words, it's a series of printable picture pages. Now it's time to move on to step 2, creating a printable picture product using Canva.com. It's really simple. Just log into Canva and then choose what dimensions you want your canvas to be. Here, I am using a custom dimension that is 3508 by 2480 pixels, which is a dimension of A4 paper. Click on Create a New Design. Now we need to customize this canvas like them. First and foremost, give this canvas a name, Etsy Product Listing. Then, basically, here I am making exactly the same type of products. To begin, we need to add a square box. To do so, go to the left side menu and select Elements, then Line and Shapes. You'll obtain those shapes from here. First, drag the object into the timeline, then resize it. Finally, click on the color to erase it. Then click on this line icon and increase the border weight, and you will see we exactly make the same type of box shape. Duplicate the shape by pressing Ctrl+D so that all of the shape sizes remain the same. You might also want to enable the margins and rulers to help you space out images effectively. To do so, go to File and select the Margin option, which will add a margin to the canvas. You can do the same with rulers. Now, duplicate all of the shapes to create a new row of shapes. Okay, it's done. We must now add graphics and text to each box, just like they did. To do this, click on the text icon, and then select a heading text. Now write something like potty. If you don't like the font, you can change it, and you can find a lot of free fonts on this page. The font should then be resized and adjusted to fit the box boundaries. Then, to add graphics, go to Elements, search for potty, and then go to Graphics Elements. You'll see a lot of graphics items here, but most of them are for Pro Canva elements. You may use the free elements, or try the Canva Pro free trial, as we only need to create this package once. As a result, you do not need to pay. Instead, you may use the free trial once to create this bundle. For now, I'm including this lovely free toilet image. Similarly, you must include additional graphic elements. Simply duplicate the text and type breakfast. Next, look for the breakfast graphic element. Simply add it to the shape after you've found it. Okay, I'll complete the chart and it'll look like this. So, when you've dragged and dropped your pictures, shapes, and text into the canvas and created it to look the way you want it to, it's time to download it as a printable file so that other people can buy it. To do this, click on Share, then Download. From this drop-down, choose Printable PDF, then just tick mark all of these. After that, if you use Canva Pro free trial, then choose CMYK as it is best for printable PDF. Otherwise, RGB is selected as default. Then just download the file. And that's it, you now have a printable product that you can sell on Etsy. Now comes the final step, creating an Etsy store. But before that, if you learned something new, smash that like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any online money-making ideas. You must go to Etsy.com to create an Etsy store and product listing. Then, from here, you can open a shop and add product listings like they are doing by clicking on Get Started and entering email. There is only one problem. Listing products for sale on Etsy is usually not free. It costs 20 cents to create one Etsy listing. But as you showed this video so far, that's why you don't need to pay any money for creating listing on Etsy, and it's a secret tip. What you need to do, you need to search on Etsy, free listing 40. Now click on any of the 40 free item listings from the search results. Now, here's the thing. Do not buy anything. Instead, open up the listing description and click on the referral link that will be in there. Etsy has a referral program, meaning if existing stores can refer new Etsy stores to their platform, they get 40 free item listings, and you get 2. So, it's a win-win situation. And when you click on the link, you'll be taken to their referral link page, and then you can register through that page to get your 40 free listings. Now you can search on YouTube on how to create Etsy listing and watching some free videos from Etsy sellers who share their tips and tricks for how to create an Etsy listing. So, create your Etsy listings and sell the printable PDF bundle and start making $10,000 per month using Canva.com. Now, if you want to create a cash cow YouTube channel, you can watch the video shown on the screen, and I will catch you up in the next video.